Good morning, students. This is class 7th science class, and today I will teach you chapter number 4, heat. Today we will discuss the keywords. The first keyword which is given in the textbook is Celsius scale. What is the Celsius scale? Temperature is measured in Celsius scale. It represented by symbol degree 0 and C. It is called degree Celsius. It is a unit of measuring the temperature. Okay. The second one is conduction. It is a type of the heat transfer. I already told you the heat transfer take place by the three methods: conduction, convection and radiation. In the conduction, this process of heat transfer take place generally in solid. It is a type of heat transfer generally take place in solid. In this process, heat is transferred from hotter to colder end of an object. As if you put the steel spoon into the hot tea, then the one end of a spoon is getted hot by the process of conduction. The third one is conductor. Okay, the conductor are the materials or the substances through which heat and the electricity can pass are called conductor. Example: generally metals are the good conductor: copper, iron and aluminium. The fourth one is convection. It is a type of heat transfer generally take place in the liquid. In this process, liquid start boiling, come up side from the bottom and take place at bottom. It means when you put the water to boil now, it get heated and comes upward. ऊपर की तरफ आता है water and the side water comes down and take place at the bottom. Okay, bottom वाला water comes up and side में से water जो है वो bottom की तरफ आता है. That type of heat transfer is called convection. The fifth one is insulator. So you know it very well. The materials and the substances through which heat and electricity cannot pass are called insulator. The examples are wood, plastic, rubber, etc. The sixth point is land breeze. In coastal areas at the night time, water cools down more slowly than the land. It means water slowly cool down होता है land के comparison में. So the cool air from the lands moves towards the sea. This is called the land breeze. And what is the sea breeze? Next point is the sea breeze. In coastal areas at daytime, the cooler air from the sea rushes towards the land. The air from the sea is called the sea breeze. Radiation, the process of heat transfer which does not require material medium. It means radiation is a process in which no medium is required for the heat transfer. Okay, the ninth keyword is temperature. The measure of degree of hotness or coldness of an object. कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट कितना गर्म है या कितना ठंडा है, ये हम उसके टेम्परेचर के थ्रू बता सकते हैं. हम हमारी जो हम ऐसा बोलते हैं किसी को टच करने पर कि ये ज़्यादा गर्म है, दिस इज़ वेरी हॉट, दिस इज़ वेरी कोल्ड, रिलायबल नहीं कर सकते हम हमारे सेंस ऑर्गन के लिए, क्योंकि मे बी पॉसिबल कि जो चीज़ किसी एक पर्सन के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म है वो दूसरे पर्सन के लिए उतनी गर्म नहीं हो सकती. Okay, so temperature is the measure of the degree of the hotness or coldness of an object, and the degree Celsius Fahrenheit, it's the unit of temperature. Next is thermometer, a device used for measuring temperature of a body. Now like my video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.